Hello viewers, this is the first time I'm adding my voice because the previous tutorials there was no instruction of why I do something that I did. Now it will be very hard for you to understand, so I'm adding my voice in this tutorial. Today we are going to render a restaurant model that we downloaded from CG Tips. It's a 225 MB file. We will render it in Enscape and practice some realistic lighting and realistic effects on this model. Now we have our model here. Let's turn all our toolbars here. I don't know why disappear from time to time. It's really exhausting. Don't think we need anything yet right now. So yeah, I already have some renders, so I'm going to delete everything. Okay, so let's start Enscape. The main ingredient for realistic lighting and realistic renders are lights, basically. So whatever the light touches lightens up and is shown in our render files. So if light doesn't reach a certain place and it keeps dark, it won't show in your render very clearly. So our target is to create lighting. Now there are three options of lighting in Enscape. The first one is exposure control, the second one is sunlight, and the third one is artificial light. Artificial lights are like spotlight, shade light, rectangle light, disc light, sphere light, etc. Artificial lights are good, but the sunlight option in Enscape is really pretty bad. You know, the shades are too much. Right now there are sunlight option, and as you can see, we make the sun appear. It looks, the shadows are too sharp, too much sharp shadows, like, you know, not good. Now we can change something here with clouds density. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so we will not rely on sunlight. We will create our own sun. So let's put the sun brightness to 0. Ambient light is 200%. Okay, now let's add some spotlight here. The spotlight works the way that the sun does. So I'm going to do some around 10 piece. Right there. Oh. Okay, let's make a group from them. Group. Copy it around 5 times. That's pretty much good. Make another group. put it a little lower, then this space is too much, so we need more suns here. You can see already we have changes in our render file. The lights are coming, so there are light. This light is from here. There is light, pretty much dark still, so we might need to increase the intensity a little bit. Yeah, there you can see the changes. It's pretty much light now. Okay, let's set for a scene. .70 I think enough. Reduce the highlight, atmosphere, sky. Yeah, everything's fine. So we will create a view here. From this view, it's easier to just come back to where you were in Enscape, such as like we are now here. Just click the scene and we are there. So while rendering you might need to change to see the view. How was material doing, material changes, etc. So let's go change this material as it is too dark. Why is everything like this? Too much. Yeah. Enscape. Let's bring our Enscape material editor. That's too much dark. Let's keep it a little bit dark. Okay, now let's make it reflective. You can see it's reflecting already. I think let's make it reflective too. That's about good. Now I've already made some changes, but I'll show you again. This is the floor. Now it has a little bit height there and down there, and it's also reflective. So let's show you how the changes are made. So these were like this defaults. I use this albedo. Albedo means whatever it's already set up. You can yeah. So if I go there, the height goes down. If I go there, the height goes up. You can change however you like it. Let's keep it at 3. Now the roughness, make it shiny, make it shiny, make it shiny. Too much shiny, too much shiny, too much shiny. Oh, I think it's about still too much shiny. Yeah, this is good. What does metallic do? Let's keep it around 30%. This one is 25. Yeah, looking good. Now these are our tabletop. For the tabletop, let's go around. The roughness was like this, and I reduced it down to around 25%, and the metallic is around 50%. Let's tone down a little more. too much. 15%. I think it's okay. Now the main thing about interior or exterior design and render are, you know, materials. How you make them close to realistic depends on how your renders look like. Such as these look real. These are made of metal. There's enough reflection there. And where do we go? Sorry, the screen is too. Oh, this doesn't look real. The height is too much. So we have to change the height there. Or, you know, the bump value. Let's go to our material editor, the bump. Okay, let's see. How can we change the bump? If it's too much, so we have to keep them around 0. So the positive value makes the white portion up and the negative value makes the black portion up. So we have to keep it around 0.3 will be good. Yeah, 0.3 is good. These are made of tiles, so we need to make it reflective too. Yes, there it is. Roughness is too much. Let's go to 25. Metallic, let's go to 50. Yes, now it's kinda looks too much metallic. Let's tone down the metallic a little. Tone down the roughness a little bit. That's about right. Change the material. I have no internet connection in my country right now. The government is in uproar, so they shut down the internet. I don't know what will happen. Okay, now let's make these plates shiny. Which plates? These plates. They look pretty much unreal. How much shiny will we make it? Too much rough. I think that's about good. Is it good? Is it good? Too much darkness here, so we have to set up some light for this portion. Okay, let's go back to our lights. Where are the lights? Where are the lights? Yes, there they are. So let's grab 2 of them and put them right here, like this. Okay, we need another light inside or right around the counter. Where inside? Exactly there. It's too much. Let's rotate it a little bit. I'm sorry about the sound quality. I don't have a good mic. I'm using one from a headphone. Really sorry. I'll buy one mic sometimes later. Just about right. Okay, let's go back to our scene. See how it looks right from here. Lights everywhere. It's looking good. Okay, now what can we do? Why is the chair in this color? Oh, change the chair color. Not looking good. Looking good? Yep, looking good. Now the exposure is little too much. Let's change the wall color. Can we change the wall color? Can we change the wall color? Oh, wrong button. Why can't we change the wall color? Why can't we change the wall color? Okay, let's go to asphalt and concrete. Let's make it of concrete. Let's make it of concrete. Not 050. Okay, I think 1300 is good amount. Does it look good? Yeah, it looks good. Let's make it a little bit black. Nope, doesn't look good. Oh, also you can see the lights reflecting from here, so we have to change it. We need to change it. Okay, how can we change it? We can make the right reflection go away. Let's look at this. Okay, roughness, let's make it rough. Not too rough. This rough looks good enough. Oh, it's look unrealistic right here, so we have to tone down the value little more. Let's say make it 0 will be enough. This one also needs to be reflective, so there. It's too much rough. Make it little bit rough, little bit metallic, so you know the lights doesn't show up on your reflection, but it still shines. Okay, what do we have to change more? The wood seems unrealistic. Let's see what we can do here. The pump amount is too low. Let's make it around 1. Roughness. Now one thing you can do, you can do this. You can change the width to make it, I don't know, it's okay. You can rotate the shade, I mean the texture. You can rotate the texture. Okay, let's make it around 0.05. Let's go to our scene again. Still have to make it little dark, or wooden texture. How do we make it wooden? Or wooden, or little bit dark. You know what, let's change the texture file. I have something, I think, where did I put it? 3 files. This one. This one. Does it look good? I think I have to change from here and make it a little bit dark to go with these textures. Oh, let's change the concrete texture. I also have one. It might look good. I don't know. What's the color? Yep, can't find it. Oh yes, there is. Size is too much. Not 1300. Let's go to 500. What happened? Look good. Looking quite good. Let's make it a little bit darker because it's concrete. Nope, little bit lighter. That's about good. Okay, now let's have a okay, you can make, you know, safe frame a good one because it shows you which frame you are rendering. So let's say keep the outline around 8. If I want to 1024, it shows you which frame it's gonna take for rendering. Go to HD, full HD. Let's say I want to render 3433, no, 2144 23463. It will show you that mobile size, you know, phone screen size. So let's go to Ultra HD. You can now increase the sound brightness a little, and you know, the overall exposure a little bit. Oh no, scenes get too much dark. So around 51 I think is perfect. Okay, field of view 70 degrees is good for this scene. Let's take it a little like this. Framing is important for, you know, a good render. Light view, white. I don't know what these do, but I think the white shows too much light here. Light view, yeah, too much light from this section, but we need them for our, wow, nice one. Okay, let's go to, I think everything's right. Color, temperature, you want them warm or you want them cold. That's I try to keep it warm. Looks good. Saturation, make it a little bit because saturation is good. Okay, let's take a render and see the result. Saving on pictures. Okay. So this is the final render that we got from rendering, and it looks pretty much real. It looks pretty much unreal because the model size is around 23 MB, but at this size of design a model should be around 350 or 400 MB. But I just downloaded it in low quality because my PC is potato PC. So let's show you the changes. We can see light reflection here because light reflects on tiles materials. From here we can see reflection here of this wooden texture, some texture reflection here, reflection here, which makes it seem real. On the plates, side of the plates where the light's getting reflected, here reflection. So basically reflection is a part of realism, light is a part of realism, and texture is a part of realism. Here the light is reflecting and we can see a little bit texture. The light is reflecting, we can see a little bit of texture. So I think everything looks good here. If you score it from 1 to 10, I would say it looks around 3 to 4. There are more realistic renders and very big files. I'll show you one day, inshallah. Thank you.